Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment. Thought experiment is an experiment where you may estimate what will happen, but would be too difficult or impossible to try out in real life, such as what would happen if everyone on the Earth jumped up at the same time. Erwin Schrödinger was an Austrian physicist in the early 1900s, and he devised this thought experiment as a way of illustrating the difficulties of some of the theories of quantum mechanics coming out of Copenhagen at the time. One of these ideas was that things on an atomic scale can exist in more than one state at a time.
You mean like Alaska and California?
Anyway, when things exist in more than one state at a time, this is called being in a superposition.
Soup.
What?
You said soup or position. I want the soup. I mean, is it yummy? Is it mouse soup? I love soup.
As I was saying, Schrödinger thought this was a silly idea, and he wanted to show how strange it would be on a larger scale, so he came up with the following thought experiment. You take a metal box. Inside, you place a cat along with a small amount of radioactive material, just a few atoms, enough so that over a period of 1 hour, there's a 50% chance that one of the atoms will decay, giving off a particle. With this, you have a Geiger counter that can detect that particle. When it does, it triggers a hammer that will smash a glass container of cyanide gas, a deadly poison.
Cut. I deadly went now.
And there. As I was saying, over the period of an hour, you cannot know if the atom has decayed or not. It's in a superposition of states, and because of that, and this is the part that Schrödinger thought was silly, the cat is also in a superposition of states. It is both alive and dead at the same time. Until someone opens this box and observes the cat, it is both alive and dead. I would suggest you use a different animal than a cat. Any animal other than a cat.